Hi everybody, this is Dr. Matt here at Premier Chiropractic Solutions. We have Sean in here with us today. He came in because he's got some issues with his back right in here. It's very flat and it almost kind of dents in a little bit, and that causes a lot of pain for you, doesn't it, Sean?
Yes.
Yeah, right in through here.
Yep.
And he's been to chiropractors in the past that they always just want to, keep pushing this forward, and he feels like that's almost making it worse, right?
Yeah.
So he came in to us today because he wants to have it decompressed. So we're going to do our adjustment on him. I already did his exam and spinal exam. And so we're going to do our adjustment on him, and then we'll decompress him with the ring dinger. And he has subluxations up here on a C1. I would say right here around C6, C7. And this is subluxated, but it's an anterior subluxation, so it's kind of a tough one to get, but we're going to decompress this one. Down in here. And then you said this one right here too, right?
Yeah, that seems to pop out.
And his right leg's short. Show him that, Lizzie. Right leg. Right leg is short, and most of his problems are on the right side. So we're gonna see if we can get him tuned up here. Now is this tender down here?
No.
Not really?
The right side a little bit.
The right side's a little bit more. Okay. Alright. So I'm going to start down here and work my way up, okay?
Okay.
So I'm adjusting a PI on the right and the AS on the left to try to even his legs out a little bit. Sacrum down. And this right here just helps to stretch the spine out. That feels kind of good, doesn't it?
It does.
There it was. Alright. Okay, deep breath. Now, just try to relax. Right here. Yep. Good. Then one right here. Deep breath. Yep. Relax. Okay. And now I'm not going to push forward here because this is anytime that someone does that, it makes it worse, right?
That's right.
And that's one thing that we always do is listen to what our patients tell us. Now I am going to go above that right here at C6, 7. I'm going to use this drop table and adjust this forward. And then when I have him on his stomach or on his back, I'll adjust his ribs, which might help this a little bit too. How's that feel, okay?
Yeah, this is.
It's not hurting?
No.
One more here. Okay, let's see. Legs look better. His right leg's actually almost a little bit longer now. Does that feel easier than before?
Yeah.
Alright. I believe that this right here was causing your legs to be out of whack a little bit.
Okay.
Too. Yeah. he has got some really tight rhomboids in here in his levator scap as well. Okay, now just try to let this relax here. Does that hurt when I do that?
No.
Yep. Good. This side. Yep. Good. Is that okay?
That's good.
You said you'd like to run, but your lower back bothers you too much?
Oh yeah.
Well, hopefully after this you'll be able to do a little bit. Now you seem pretty limber. Do you work out at the gym a little bit?
I do some free weights at home.
Yeah.
But I try to stay on top of stretching.
Yeah.
Do stretches and try to loosen everything.
Yeah, see his foot goes clear to his butt, which is good. Yep, very good. Okay. All right, now lay sideways towards me this way. Oh, yeah. Just like that. Like I said, this side is AS, so I'm bringing this down. Very good. Other side. And the right side is the PI, which means that the ilium is kind of rocked back this way. So it's the opposite of the other side. So this one I'm going to adjust this way. Yep. Oh, that's back. Yep. Face up on your back. There you go. Okay. And his C1's off a little bit too. It feels to me like it's shifted to the left a little bit. Just try to let that relax. Yep. This side. Let's see here. Now, does that hurt? Okay. Just totally relax. What? One more time here. I'm gonna take these off. Let's see. Do your feet bother you much or no?
No.
Good. Okay. Now this one here, I'm gonna do the one where I put my fist under you, but I'm not gonna go in that spot, okay? I'm just gonna go right below. Lift your head up a little bit. Yep. Lay back. Right about here. check your ribs here now. Do you feel any pain in your back when I'm doing this?
No.
Now this adjustment here is good for a straight neck too. Yep. Helps set your head back. Very good. Okay. You gonna sit up for me? Oh yeah. Spin around that way. Relax. Relax. Okay, come on over here. So this one you're gonna sit here and lay on your back, head up this way.
Head up this way?
Yep, head up that way. Lift your head up a little bit. Back down. Oh, here you go, Lily. Make sure you get a good shot of him. And this is what you came up here for, really, isn't it? Well, definitely yank the knot out of your tail. Okay, is that okay?
Yep.
Okay, now you're just gonna breathe through your nose. Keep your teeth together. There you go. Yes, sir.
Oh. Felt that all the way down. It was all over my tailbone.
Did you feel it in the middle of your back right there too?
Yes.
In that spot?
That's
Definitely,
the part that felt the most release.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that was a home run there. You're still kicking too. Check it out.
Wow.
Oh yeah, very good. And we didn't ram it down forward either, huh?
Yeah, that's the part that I like. I'd be very, very interested to see what happens with that upper back now.
I would probably ice it some
Okay.
because there's definitely some inflammation in that area. So maybe ice a little bit when you get home. There you go. Here, do like this for me. Stand up here and face that way. Let's see. Okay, now just relax a little bit here. Yep, relax. Lean back on me.
Okay.
Yep, just try to let this relax. There you go. Bring your elbows in front. Yep. Oh, got another one.
I know, I'll go over it on the top.
Okay. This. Hold it back like that. Shoulders back. And you're still wanting to translate a bit, so I'm gonna do the mirror image here. Good. And get back like that. Okay, there you go. All right, Sean. Anything you'd like to say to our viewers about your experience today?
Awesome.
Very good.
The upper back is just completely different. It's so much better.
Very good. Very good.
I can feel it. Because it's a demon.
All right, buddy.
That's awesome.
God bless.
That's good.
Yeah.
Thank you.